everyone! Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Mai, a local Japanese cooking and dessert expert. 皆さんこんにちは、Mai です。This time of the year, flower viewing, known as Hanami, take place all across the country. And this type of dumpling that I will make today is something eaten during Hanami seasons. 今日は花見団子を作ります。Although there are various opinions, 3 colors used in the dumpling express spring. Pink represents flowers, white represents white sake to celebrate with, and green express young shoots of leaves. Okay, so let's make flower viewing dumplings. First, add room temperature water to glutinous rice flour and mix well. Then, in a separate mixing bowl, add hot water, sugar, and rice flour. Now I will combine the 2 mixtures together and make into one dough. I will divide the dough into 3 equal portions. For pink dumpling, I will add food color and finely chopped pickled sakura flower. Pickled sakura flower is optional. You can make it without sakura flower. For green dumpling, I will use matcha powder. Let's dissolve it in a small amount of hot water in advance. Roll the dough and shape into cylinders. Divide the dough into 3 equal portions. Drop the dumplings in the boiling water. When the dumplings have risen to the top, remove them and transfer to the bowl of ice water. Now, flower viewing dumpling is complete. If you are interested in traditional Japanese dessert wagashi, I share lots of wagashi designs on my Instagram. So please visit my Instagram account too. You can search for @Miss Wagashi. On this channel, I share about traditional Japanese desserts, authentic Japanese home cooking, and information about delicious local foods from Tokyo. If you find the channel informative, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!